SA node is going to produce the action potential, and it's going to spread via these intercalated discs, or these gap junctions in the intercalated discs. So if you zoomed in these intercalated discs, what you would see is sort of like little ribbons, okay? There's gap junctions, and those gap junctions make sure that one cardiac cell is connected to the other cardiac cell. They're like little ribbons, just like you think of little ribbons on your jeans that hold the gene tissue together. It's the same sort of thing. The protein, and what it has is it actually has holes. So those gap junctions are little ribbons, and they have holes to allow ions through. So what you get is sort of like a little superhighway or a little carpooling, right? So the ions depolarize this area, and then it spreads from this area into the contractile cell, and then it spreads from this contractile cell to this contractile cell. The ions spread from one cell to another very quickly because of those gap junctions. And so it becomes this little superhighway. It's really effective. And it's important that these guys have gap junctions so that you don't have to wait for one cell to depolarize and then another cell to depolarize and another cell to depolarize. Once that pacemaker cell depolarizes and produces an action potential, it spreads throughout the contractile cells like wildfire. All right, pacemaker cells. If you look at the action potential of these guys, do you remember the action potential of skeletal muscle or nervous tissue? What was resting membrane potential? Let's put it over here. Okay, so this guy, resting membrane potential was around -70, right? What was threshold?
-55.
-55. Upswing came to
30.
+30, and it went down to roughly -88 back up to us. Okay? So it looks a little bit different than this. And it actually has phases. So it had a resting membrane potential. You had some depolarization until it hit threshold. Once it hit threshold, you had sodium rushing in to depolarize it. So depolarization, just to refresh your memory, was sodium going in. Repolarization was potassium going out, right? And then it had hyperpolarization. Back to resting. These guys look different, right? What do you notice right off the bat? Do we have a resting membrane potential? Is it waiting? No. Nope. What's the lowest value of AT?
-60.
-60.